The 3D Print Time Estimator Calculator solves the challenge of accurately predicting how long your print job will take before you start. Let's walk through the 4 input fields. First, enter your model volume in cubic centimeters. This is the total volume of your 3D model. Next, input the layer height in millimeters. This determines the thickness of each printed layer. Then, set your print speed in millimeters per second, how fast your printer head moves during printing. Finally, choose your infill percentage between 0 and 100%. This controls how solid or hollow your print will be. For our example, I'm entering 10 cubic centimeters for model volume, 0.2 millimeters for layer height, 50 millimeters per second for print speed, and 20% for infill percentage. After clicking Calculate Print Time, we get 2 key results. The estimated print time shows 3 hours and 2 minutes. That's how long this job will take from start to finish. The material used indicates 5.5 grams, helpful for checking if you have enough filament loaded. This calculator takes the guesswork out of scheduling your 3D printing projects. Find the link in the description below.